When you look up at the night sky, Orion seems small, just a familiar group of stars glowing quietly in the darkness. But what if I told you the real size of Orion is so enormous that your brain can barely comprehend it? Most people imagine constellations as flat patterns painted across the sky. Simple shapes, tiny points of light. But the terrifying reality is that Orion is not a small picture in space. It is a colossal region stretching across hundreds, possibly thousands of light years. And everything you think you see is only a tiny illusion from Earth. The stars of Orion are not sitting next to each other like dots on paper. In reality, some are unimaginably farther away than others. If you could travel through the constellation itself, the famous shape of Orion would completely disappear. Those stars only align from our perspective on Earth. And hidden within Orion lies one of the most violent and massive regions in our cosmic neighborhood, the Orion Molecular Cloud, a gigantic stellar nursery so vast that it contains enough material to create thousands of stars. Inside this dark cloud, enormous stars are being born right now. Some of them are so massive and unstable that they will eventually explode as supernovas powerful enough to outshine entire galaxies. One of Orion's stars, Betelgeuse, is already terrifying scientists. This red supergiant is so unbelievably large that if it replaced our sun, its surface could stretch beyond the orbit of Mars, possibly even Jupiter, depending on how its atmosphere is measured. And yet Betelgeuse is only one object inside Orion. Just one. The true scale of Orion is almost impossible for the human mind to process because our brains were never designed to understand cosmic distances. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes hundreds and sometimes thousands of years to cross parts of this region. That means when you look at Orion tonight, you are not seeing the present. You are looking into the distant past. Some of the stars you admire may already be dead. Their light is simply taking centuries to reach Earth. And somewhere inside those giant clouds of gas and darkness, new stars are still forming silently, hidden from human eyes. The night sky feels calm and beautiful from Earth, but Orion is not calm. It is a gigantic, chaotic, constantly changing structure filled with collapsing stars, violent radiation, and cosmic explosions waiting to happen. And the strangest part? Compared to the rest of the galaxy, Orion is still considered small. Watch the full video to discover the true terrifying scale of Orion, the hidden structures inside it, and why the universe is far larger than most people could ever imagine.